Well, it's time to feed the chickens. We're not going to do much work today. It's starting to rain. Getting some sprinkles. It was windy a while ago, but calmed down. So I'm going to get my feed and go feed the chickens. We want to get out here and feed everybody this morning, the horses, the chickens, and get them fed. I don't know if we're going to get a lot of rain or not. I wish we would. There you go. There. Put that over there. There we go. Now the old girls. Everybody hungry this morning? They are. They're ready to eat. I got these little holes I can feed through here. Oh, you jumped. And what we had to do is take Ruby out of the chick pen. She started laying eggs, and she didn't want her chicks no more. She started being a bully to them, and she's over here. And there she is right there. Yep, she had to go back home with her other girls. So, leaving Pepper to take care of him, and he's doing a good job. There you go. And then I'm going to pour some chick feed in that in a minute. Look at him. He's standing guard over his babies. Yep. Sometimes hens will just quit. That's enough of raising kids. She wasn't even letting them be under her to stay warm. She was roosting. So all the babies started roosting. And I thought, well, she's not even going to keep them under her wing. I might as well put her over here. She was pecking at them. And they was running away from her. That's how it goes sometimes. Wild bunch. There's the wild bunch. There's my hunter. This will be an indoor day today. It was cold a while ago with that wind blowing. So they get one scoop because this is a big bunch, and then I go around there and give them another. And yeah, you always come first. So I'll throw out some out here, and then they can come. What? They'll be around here in a minute. Oh, here they come. And they'll have that ate up before it rains, if it does. I wish we'd get rain because you got pollen in the air on everything, dirt or dust. And that rain will wash it all down. I want to show you my snapdragons. I plant them there so when I walk in the food forest, that's what I'll see first. And they survived that 20-degree weather. So that's pretty good. I do like snapdragons. And they're doing real good. So this bed is usually my flower and food bed. And like a jungle looking in there. And I like to sit here on my swing and look at everything. Everything's growing up so big. My goji bushes are really growed up, make a good windbreak through here, because I'm always looking for a windbreak. So now I gotta go eat breakfast and feed Bill. Hey, you want me feed you this morning?
Yeah, I want to make some beans.
Beans? Anyway, I'll fill the sprinkles. I hope we get some rain. Oh yeah, I gotta get the chickpea. I'll put the chickpea out here and give some. Because this chicken feed's a little bit hard for him. Come on. But anyway, everybody's fed this morning. Got their breakfast. I'll get up on my tower and look around. Oh yeah. We might be getting snow up in the mountains. Kind of looks like it. It could be rain there. We didn't get no rain. We got some sprinkles, but no rain. And I got sad news I want to say. Our dog Thule went to heaven today. And I don't want to talk too much about her because I might start crying. She was real loyal to Bill and loved him very much. But she's with my pack now. She's part of them in heaven. I'll put a picture up on her. Bye.